Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Liquid Platinum Star. This is Tara here. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the clips I have shot in a couple of nurseries and or garden shops. Because of the lockdown, all these days I have stayed inside our house alone. After a few months, this is the first time I've come out of the house and we went for a long drive in ECR. On the way, we stopped in a couple of nurseries to get some plants for our house. My parents were shopping and I was impressed by the beauty of the plants and the greenery there. So I started shooting some videos. If you love plants just like me, watch the video till the end. Here are the clips from Sri Bhavani Nursery. Here there are lots of varieties and colors of roses. Here are marigold plants, but there are no flowers yet. This nursery also contains mini trees and large plants. These are hibiscus plants. Here are frangipani trees, and here is a marigold plant with a flower. Due to the fact that it's monsoon right now, many plants have beautiful flowers blooming. So these are the shrubs known as evergreens. So I've captured two types of them. There were also a couple of designs of tulsi madams there. Here you can find many indoor plants. This is a croton variety and we have a plant like this at home too. I have an Instagram page where I post pictures of nature. So I've taken a few pictures from here and I've posted it there. So if you already haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll leave the link to my account in the description. There are some plants which do not have flowers from them. I really enjoyed coming here as all the plants were really healthy and beautiful. You can also find some pothos here. Now I'll be sharing some of the clips from Obeth Nursery. These are just eye-catching. I was not there with my parents when they were purchasing the plants as I was shooting the video on the other side, so I do not know the prices. And I am really not sure of the names of few plants. If you can name them, let me know in the comments below. I leave the link to my gardening playlists and the videos separately in the description box. So if you haven't seen them, do check it out. Out of all the plants I've seen so far, this one has surely caught my eye. I hope you're enjoying this video. Next time I'll be posting a video on the plants which we have purchased along with its price details. Do let me know in the comments section what types of videos you like to see from me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye.